What's the biggest lesson you've learned last year?
Ano po? Siguro,
Ang laki.
siguro po, kailangan natin to know, we have to know when to
Grabe mag-edit, oh.
Edit ko pa po sa isip ko. As an introvert, kailangan, kailangan mo pong malaman kung kailan ka yung nadidistract tuloy ako. Kailangan mo malaman kung kailan yung enough is enough. Yung kailan yung enough is enough. Kailan po.
Okay, that's it.